Alright, so this is our new mop bucket we just got. This is the first time I'm using it. So what you're going to start off doing is on this side, you're going to open it up, put your water and your mop solution in here, log it back down. This side right here, I put a little bit of water and some solution. What you're going to do is you're going to put this in here first. You're going to spin it, get it nice and wet with your water and your solution. And then over here, you're going to spin it out so it's not as wet. As you spin it out, it's going to put fresh water in this tank over here, fresh soapy water. The mop is really dry. It has a good wetness to it, so it's not going to leave water all over your floor as you mop. And then when you get done mopping, you're going to take your dirty mop, because this is your clean water. You're going to put it right back in here, and you're going to spin it out, get it nice and clean. And then what you're going to do after that is put it back over here to spin it out. Now usually there'll be more water in here, but I didn't put enough. Once you use this to put your mop back in, then you're going to twist this, which is going to drain out all your dirty water into this area here. And then you just log it back down, turn it off, and then you just repeat the cycle. And then it has wheels, so you can wheel it wherever you want. And then over here on both sides, it has a thing where you can just open it up and it drains all the water out, one on each side to drain both waters out of both of the reservoirs. But other than that, it's a nice mop. Buy one, you're going to enjoy it.